Hey guys, Naeem here for part 2 of our demonstration of the NoNo bracket. So if you haven't seen part 1, go back and watch part 1 where I talk through all of the different styles of the NoNo bracket. And again, this is a bracket that's used to, you can hang curtains, no holes in the wall, and he's attached directly to your existing blinds. So check out part 1 where I talk about the styles, as well as the demonstration for the outside mount. Okay, so today in part 2, we're going to talk about the different inside mount. There is a regular standard version, an extra large version, and a mini blinds version. So I'm excited to get into that to show you how this bracket works on all those different types of blinds. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is the inside mounted bracket, and this is for the standard headrail. And what you want to do is you want to measure the distance from top to bottom, okay? And that's going to determine which brackets you need. For this particular headrail, we're going to use the regular standard inside mounted brackets. And so you simply, it does come with some 3M strips that you can place on the bottom or the top. In this particular case, it fits really tight and really good. And that's all you're going to do. Just slide it right in, tighten down that top screw. You can place your rod and your curtains up, you're good to go. Okay, so now we're here at the extra large version, is what we're going to talk about now. So how I know it's the size that's needed, again, you're going to measure this distance here, okay? In this case, it's 1.5, almost 1 3/4, right, in between. If it's over 1.5, but less than 1.75, then you need the extra large version, okay? So this is going to take the extra large version. We are going to use, we're going to put these sticky strips on here, okay, that came with it because I want it extra tight. And remember, that's the only time you're going to use this is if it's a little loose. If you feel like you need 1 or 2, then you can add both of them, okay? So we're going to add this to the bottom here of the bracket, just like so. And then you're simply going to slide that in, okay? Let's loosen up the top screw a tad bit. Okay, and you're going to slide that in. All right, so sometimes you only need 1 of those strips. Sometimes it may be a little difficult to screw it in with 2 strips, but you can use 1 or 2, and that's in. That's not going anywhere. Now you add another one to the other end. Depending on how big the window is, you may need 3, you may need 1 in the middle to prevent it from sagging. So that's extra large version. Put your rod, your curtain on, and you're good to go. All right, let's take a look at mini and how that works as well. Okay, so now we're at the mini blinds, okay? These are standard 1-inch mini blinds. They measure 1 inch from top to bottom, okay? And so we're going to use the mini blind version of the brackets, okay? Now, one thing with blinds, whether it's inside or outside, there's typically, or sometimes there's a valance, a plastic valance that's on the front of the blind headrail. So those you want to take off, right? I didn't have any in the demo, but those you can just clip right off because the bracket has to attach to the actual headrail. In these cases, in this case, there's no blind valance on these particular blinds. Okay, so same thing, slips right on. I used 1 double-sided sticky strip on this one, and you're basically going to slide that in like so, and then we're going to tighten it down, that top screw. All right, tighten it down nicely. And again, you always want to make sure that the existing blinds are mounted securely, they're not loose, they're not damaged or anything like that. Okay, so as you can see, this is mounted, it's ready to go, it's ready for curtain, a rod, and your decorating is done. Very simple and easy, no holes in the walls. That's what you want to get to. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Be sure to subscribe and like this video if you want to see more videos like this. And again, within the details or description of the video, I'll add the links to the NoNo bracket where you can purchase. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks.